Hi everyone, this is Ilias for Studio One Experts. This is the second video for distorted guitars in rock and metal music. In the first video I showed you my settings on CS EQ and CS Lift, and now I'm going to take you further for FG, Bomber and VTM. So let's go and apply the settings for FG Bomber. So let's put it in on both channels. Let's find out. There we go. So I'm gonna turn it off, take a listen to the song with the EQ first, and then I'm gonna put the FG Bomber into the game.
In the dead of night, I hear a knock and
Okay. Without, and I'm gonna solo the guitars. Okay, with. Alright, so without that result is without the FG Bomber. So let's put the FG Bomber into the game. So FG Bomber is a very weird combination of different parameters. So without much effort, I'm gonna put the tone effect, the tone knob, into the present, though, so that effect will give us more air, because we're talking about guitars, so we need that space of this present. And we're not going to drive the guitars too much, so I'm going to turn the knob of the drive knob around -9, and the intensity is going to go around 50% just for start. Okay, as a result, I'm going to turn the output just a couple of dBs, because we need the high gain guitars, these distorted guitars, to be more upfront in the mix, because it's the main body of that song. And generally in rock and metal music, distorted guitars, we just need to be upfront in the mix. So let's take a listen how that sounds with the FG Bomber in the game. All right, without. Okay, in again, and I'm gonna bypass FG Bomber. Wow, big results, big difference. So I'm gonna put the guitars inside the whole mix and listen it with vocals and drums.
In the dead of night, I hear a knock and a stranger with the cold knife. He came inside and said he loved to play a little game he likes. Face your fear or die.
Alright, so we have the sound that we were looking for. High distorted guitars, up front in the mix, with body and presence. And now we're going to the guitar bus and we're gonna apply the VTM. So let's enable it. And as you see here, I'm driving just a couple of dBs, the input of this VTM unit. I'm using the default settings, 2 inches 16 track, FG9 tape and 30 IPS. Let's put it on 0.
In the dead of night, I hear a knock and a stranger with the cold knife. He came inside and said he loved to play a little game.
So you can listen the difference with a couple of dBs and 0 dB input, that the guitars are shining when you just enable the VTM. And this is why I'm using the VTM on the main guitar bus, because I just need the guitars to shine inside the mix, and because they're fighting with vocals, I just need them to be up front, and I need that in-your-face sound. I really like that. So that was my process, and this is how I'm working with electric distorted guitars, especially in rock and metal music. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just comment, and I'm just gonna see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.